Good afternoon and welcome to InvestorIdeas.com podcast, following cannabis news, stocks to watch, as well as insight from thought leaders and experts. Today we're looking at announcements from Cannabis Health Inc., trading on the CSE as Lilly, and OTCQB as MPHMF. We have Knight Food Holdings Inc., trading on the OTC as NGTIF, and CLS Holdings, trading on the OTCQB under CLSH. First, looking at Cannabis Health Inc., a clinical stage pharmaceutical development and OTC consumer goods marketing company. They announced earlier today that it has signed industry expert Dr. Gregory Smith, MD, MPH, as the company's chief medical cannabis advisor. The addition of Dr. Smith is expected to help give the company additional product development, clinical study capabilities, and visibility, hopefully, on the THC, CBD, cannabinoids market. We believe the addition of Dr. Smith to the Cannabis team will help us better navigate the quickly evolving cannabinoid industry and provide expert insight for our current products and future programs in research and development, said James Tonson, interim president and CEO. He brings a wealth of knowledge, clinical experience, and insights that will be valuable for our company's growth. Dr. Smith has extensive experience in education in the field of cannabinoid medication and currently serves as the editor-in-chief of www.cannabis-md.com and the Director of Medical Affairs for First Harvest Financial, Inc. Next, looking at Knight Food Holdings, Inc., a brand development company pioneering the projected billion-dollar nighttime nutrition category and developing unique properties and products in the marijuana/CBD cannabis-related snack space. They announced that their first production of the Half-Make trademark branded products have been successfully completed under licenses in the state of California. The Half-Baked brand THC-infused cookies each contain 10 milligrams of THC and will retail for approximately $5. As originally announced on April 20th of this year, the product is on track to be available at retail before the end of this month. This is the birth of a leading national edibles brand in the marijuana space. That's how we view this initial production run and pilot launch, commented CEO Sean Folkson. As most states continue to follow suit and pass marijuana legislation, we see an increase in the value and opportunity in the value of half-baked intellectual property. Also, Sean Folkson. Plans are for the Half-Baked brand to include regular snacks that would be legal and immediately eligible for national distribution, as they contain no THC or cannabis in any form, in addition to the lines of cannabis-containing snacks. Subsequent to filing the Half-Baked trademark application in January, the company also acquired halfbaked.com. In the coming months, the company intends to launch the halfbaked.com website to support the launch and development of its leading consumer cannabis brand. An investor conference call is being set up for next week, during which the company will provide updates on revenues, new product development, and other recent activities. There will be an announcement made prior to the call, providing investors all details necessary to attend the call and subsequent questions for management. Finally, looking at CLS Holdings, a development stage diversified cannabis company operating as Cannabis Life Sciences. They announced that their proposed acquisition of Oasis Cannabis has progressed and is now expected to close by the end of June this year. The parties mutually agreed to extend the purchase agreement to June 21st of this year. This is still within the expected close of the second quarter of this year, and the extension is due to the additional time needed to complete certain license transfer documentation. A little bit about Oasis Cannabis. They have operated a cannabis dispensary in Las Vegas market since dispensaries first opened in Nevada in 2015 and are recognized as one of the top marijuana retailers in the state. It's within walking distance of the Las Vegas Strip and downtown Las Vegas, as well as they do delivery to residents, which allows it to basically serve locals and tourists in the Las Vegas area. A little bit about Oasis Cannabis. They've operated a cannabis dispensary in Vegas since the market first opened in Nevada in 2015 and has been recognized as one of the top marijuana retailers in the state. And CLS Holdings plans to become a diversified cannabis company and is shifting its corporate strategy to become a fully licensed integrated cannabis producer and retailer in Nevada and other states. CLS stands for Cannabis Life Sciences in recognition of the company's patent-pending proprietary method of extracting various cannabinoids from the marijuana plant and converting them into products with a higher level of quality and consistency. That is today's podcast. Thank you for listening, and as always, Investor Ideas reminds all listeners to read our disclaimers and disclosures on the InvestorIdeas.com website, and this podcast is not an endorsement to buy products or services or securities. Investors are reminded all investments involve risk and the possible loss of investment.